Hello, my name is Robert Thompson. I'm a physician. I practice integrative medicine in Anchorage and Soldotna, Alaska. I practiced medicine almost exactly like every other physician that I know, with the typical variations of our training and experience, up until about 1996. And eventually I learned about tissue mineral analysis, and after studying Chinese herbs and homeopathic medicine, it has caused me to begin to realize that the way we practice medicine is seriously flawed. Anybody that suffers from back discomfort should be reading this book. I'm not sure if it's not good for all of us anyway, because he's got a lot of good salient advice, so to speak, in there about muscle balancing and preventing injuries in the back. And there's so many books out there to read that are always coming down the pipe, and I'm very particular about how much time I have. And so this might not have been my first choice of a book to read, but I can tell you, after I read it, I was very thankful for doing that. It gave me some very useful thinking, and it challenged me in some areas of my approaches. Most of the stuff was very similar to what I do, but I learned a few things, like my cell phone in my hip pocket was a bad idea. Let's face it, the back and the knees are two of the most common reasons people go to see the orthopedic doctor. Pill might be fine for, acute symptoms, but it doesn't get you better. It just treats those acute symptoms. If you treat it, you also prevent recurrence. So you get better and you stay better, and it's not a recurring injury that you're going to have. I think we have to be committed to what works and getting it right consistently and over again. If you're going to the doctor and you're getting a treatment and you're not getting better within about 3 months of treatment, you probably ought to find another provider or another method of treatment, because it's not going to work. If you keep doing it another 3 months, you're still going to be in the same place that you are now. And so it's time to do something different. If you're motivated to be healthy and you don't want to suffer from back discomfort ever, or if you have before and you don't want to have it again, I really strongly encourage you to read this book.